And welcome back. It's another short video. Well, what do you do when your footprint doesn't match the component? Here's a quick way of getting around it. And here we have the offending PCB and the transistor that needs to go on it. So from the drawing you can see that the collector and the emitter have been swapped over on the footprint on the PCB. So I want to get round this and make it reasonably tidy. So the simplest way is to solder the collector onto the pad that it needs to go to and see if we can arrange the transistor so that the emitter will also connect to the pad that the emitter should be connected to. So here you can see lining it up, dab the iron, fixing it, moving it around a little bit, keep playing until you get a reasonable position so the collector and emitter pads are under the pins and the component is away from like R6. Then quick dab of solder, my soldering I need to clean, onto the emitter pin to fasten that in place. And now we have two legs of the transistor firmly attached to the PCB, just leaving us the base to fix. Now here you can see I've already cut a small piece of wire and with tinned ends, and we'll start off by just loosely tagging the wire to the base connection, and then we'll slowly with the tweezers form the wire around the component to get it to the base leg. Now once this is done, you can either put a blob of glue over the top or a blob of hot melt, or quite often the board would be conformally coated, and so the conformal coating will hold it all in place. If the wire was longer than this, then a blob of glue would be used to hold it to the board. So that's it, job done. Quick tidy up on some of the legs and it's good to go. If you like it, subscribe, hit the bell button. I'll catch you next time.